Hello and welcome to our 7th COVID market update. I'm Tom Caldwell, and today we're going to change things around a bit. I'm going to do the interviewing, and Liz Naumovski will be the interviewee. While Canadians continue to self-isolate, fraudsters and scammers are now working overtime. Liz is one of Canada's leading financial educators, and today we'll get her advice on how to stay safe financially.
Thank you so much, Tom. And you are 100% correct. Online fraud is alive and thriving right now. Scammers and fraudsters are actually banking on the fact that you are at home, you're self-isolating, you're a little stressed, you're a little anxious, there's a lot of pressure in your life. So the bottom line is you should actually think before you click on anything. We're all being inundated with emails right now. A lot of strangers are sending us emails or texts or calling us. Remember when we grew up, we were told not to speak to strangers? Well, think about that right now. When people are calling you, asking you if you're okay and want to be there for you during COVID and they're strangers, just hang up. It isn't rude to hang up. You need to protect yourself. If anybody calls you and asks for your credit card number, your financial institution number, your passport number, your social insurance number, or any other personal information, don't give it to them. Every entity that you deal with has all of the information that they need. So do not ever give out any of that personal information, whether it's by text, by email, social media. Just deal with the people that you know. And don't be ashamed if you do click on something and you make a mistake. If you do expose yourself, any of your financial information to someone, call the Canadian Anti-Fraud Organization. They are there to help you. Also, you can go on their website, antifraud.ca. They are there to help you, antifraudcenter.ca, and their phone number is 1-888-495-8501. And the other thing that you should really worry about as well is take a look at different websites out there. Fraudsters are stealing logos from different financial institutions. If they're telling you that they're going to give you a 15% return daily, that's a red flag. If they are asking you to invest with your credit card or PayPal, that's a red flag as well. Do whatever you can to protect yourself. And as well, reach out to a senior who's at home, who's vulnerable. Talk to them about passwords. Talk to them about talking to strangers and protect them. That's all for now.
Thank you, Liz. Thank you.